jadi tinggal ke ladang duluan.
Kalau aku duluan, nanti kamu lupa bawa bekalnya. Aku kan udah bawain.
Iya nih, kayaknya kalau nggak ada kamu, aku nggak bakal bawa apa-apa deh.
Makanya jangan manja. Kami kok kayak anak kecil sih, mesti diingetin.
Ya kalau dimanja sama kamu mah, ya aku nggak nolak.
Ayo cepat ke rumah Sari lagi. Tadi tadinya sudah ngambek.
Ratna, terus mulai ti tadi?
Harisnya di mana wae?
Ampura tuh, abdi kaberengan.
Alah nih, molor deui.
Kalau begini terus, lama-lama kita bisa yang gemuk jadi kurus.
Tempo ya, sakali gunting langsung beres.
Gaya naon eta?
Gaya tentara.
Allah kebanyakan gaya. Kemarin aja pas menjemput diketawain sama ibu-ibu.
Tok gitu atuh, abdi aya nangges latihan di imah. Attention.
Ratna, kamu dari mana?
Habis ganti baju.
From this day forth shall take effect forthwith.
Karena di sini.
From this day forth, this land is claimed by His Majesty government. The system of rent in kind shall take effect forthwith. Every husband is henceforth bound to reach tax. A third part of their harvest shall be sold to His Majesty government. Mulai sekarang, tanah ini milik pemerintah. Setiap petani harus bayar pajak sepertiga hasil panen kalian untuk
Seperti hasil
pemerintah
panen.
Inggris.
Loba pisan.
Inggris capek-capek gawe, ngarena calik. Mana hasil?
Silence. Seru banget kan tadi? Iya seru banget tau tadi. Gak merasa itu seru banget sih.
Ratna, boleh minta waktunya sebentar nggak?
Dina, kamu kita dulu ya Ratna. Oke, dadah. Kenapa sih kak?
Oh kesel deh Rat.
Kenapa?
Ingat gak yang waktu warga ngumpul sama tentara?
Ingat?
Aku ngeliat si Sari sama tentara Inggris senyum-senyuman yang kumisan itu loh.
Aku jadi bingung deh. Kalian berdua kan temen aku jadi bingung harus kayak gimana. Yang sabar ya kak.
Iya, tapi aku kesel Rat.
Kalian bakal baik-baik aja kok hubungannya.
Makasih ya Ratna.
Dia dengar kita nggak ya?
Iya dia denger gak ya? Aduh,
Aduh gimana ya? Udah deh, kamu pulang aja.
udah deh, makasih ya Rat.
Iya.
I wonder what that girl is doing now. I hope I can meet her soon. Quite rare for an Indonesian to be sweet. What is this? like to talk about.
Ratna,
Ya?
temenin aku kumpulin hasil panen yuk.
Oke, ayo.
Makasih ya.
Iya. Ngapain sih lama banget?
Kenapa tuh, Mak? Ayo nak kita samperin.
Non, iya, non. Hah?
Who slew him?
Lieutenant Governor Raffles, sir.
Speak forth. I hold in utter contempt those who summon me with a purpose. Sir, we bring highly suspicious. The commander has prepared this moral punishment. What are you? Well, answer.
He was discovered deceased this morning. Slit in the neck. A most lamentable occurrence indeed.
Who? Try to tell committed this faulty. Well, who was the miscreant? Don't tell me you are sort of incompetent.
We are yet uncertain, sir. Thus far, we have merely surveyed the scene of the crime.
I find it difficult to credit that Edward couldn't have defended himself. He is among my finest. The murderer couldn't be a feeble Indonesian farmer.
unless it's where some rubber. First change, sir.
I desire to know the particular of this monstrosity.
Sir Stanford Thomas, Lieutenant Governor.
Gentlemen, I grieve to summon you under such melancholy because Lieutenant Edward will fly, and the honor of His Majesty's service lies wounded with him.
The men demand retribution, sir. Whispers abound that the native grow insolent. We cannot sit idle.
Idle we shall not be, Captain. Yet vengeance angry that breeds only chaos. We must know whence the treachery sprang.
Might it not be the farmers, sir? They grew restless under the rent.
It is true. If Edward death be tied to their grievance, we must bring to light with certainty.
If it please you, sir, grant me leave to look into the matter. I know their villages, their ways. I shall uncover the truth.
So be it, Lieutenant Miller. The charge is yours.
Then it is settled. The man will see that action it is last in motion.
Let them see not vengeance, but resolve. Remember, we hold not only the sword, but the King Justice.
Kalau negeri ini benar-benar bebas, kalian pengen lakuin apa?
Kalau aku ingin menjadi guru supaya anak-anak belajar tanpa rasa ketakutan. Kalau kita merdeka, mereka itu harus pintar supaya mereka tidak ditindas lagi.
Apa ya? Kenapa, Nek? Kalau kamu, Lin? Kalau aku ingin terus menari agar dunia tahu kalau budaya kita hidup. Kalau kamu, Don? 3 suami enak kali ya. 3 suami, Nek? Kalau kamu, Don?
Kamu nanya aku?
Iya, nanya kamu.
Aku ingin bernyanyi dengan bebas. Lagu yang bisa bikin orang tersenyum-senyum tanpa harus sembunyi-sembunyi.
Oke, Don. Kalau kamu, Kak?
Kalau harapanku sih, aku bermimpi bukan hanya untuk diriku saja. Aku juga ingin melihat anak-anak kecil dapat tertawa dengan bebas tanpa harus merasa takut. Dan orang-orang tua bekerja tanpa harus dibayang-bayangi oleh cambukan tentara. Dan kita bisa berjalan tanpa tunduk dengan siapapun. Aku ingin negeri ini merdeka supaya kita punya arti di hidup ini.
Ayo pulang. Udah mau maghrib nih.
What transpired before thine eyes yesterday night?
Abdi teh nyaho nanaon?
Call Mr. Whitman.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Miller?
Yes? Oh, Mr. Whitman. I find myself in need in procuring some intelligence.
I stand ready, Lieutenant.
Abdi, naon anu abdi lakukan?
Well, what does she utter?
Well, I'm unsure. She isn't satisfying you.
Bid her to answer the question at once.
Bu, di mana Jen Tengah Wengi? Jawab sing benar.
Abdi, naon anu abdi lakukan? Emut heula isuk-isuk abdi kumbah terus udang.
What the devil is she babbling?
Well, it is.
Out with it, old dame!
Apa pembunuhnya Sari ya? Enggak mungkin. Tapi surat yang tadi atas nama dia. Apa jangan-jangan emang warga desa pembunuhnya?
Sir, Lieutenant General Raffles, sir! We have found the perpetrator at the scene of the crime itself, clutching the very weapon of murder.
This is the man who killed Edward?
Yes, sir.
See, that he is put to the fire before tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Move.
Villagers of Priangan village, today I will show you the fate of any who oppose the English soldiery. Comrade, pass me the gas.
Yes, sir.
Everyone should bear witness to the disobedience of this man.
Apa pembunuhnya Sari ya? Enggak. Dia juga nggak bisa bahasa Inggris dari kecil.
Sari, aku baru belajar bahasa Inggris loh.
Coba praktekin Ratna.
Ini serat nak. Coba kamu coba.
My apa Ratna?
Kamu nggak bisa ya?
Gak mungkin Sari. Sari itu perempuan baik dan lemah lembut.
Raka nggak nyangka ya kayak gitu.
Selama ini pembunuhnya tentara. Tapi siapa?
Hah, apaan sih Don? Itu teman kita mau dibakar.
Sing us a song to keep us warm. Yeah, such a chill, such a chill.
So Milan, where shall we go this day?
Convenient to TV.
Let you choke.